Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanya. I'm so happy to have you here. You recently subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. Like, you're gonna stay here with me forever. So I'm just gonna get straight into this because for my lunch, this is what I had. It's a fresh salad bowl from Pret. And if you've been following my journey, and for those who are new and you've already spotted it, well, Pret and actually Black Sheep is my thing, okay? So what I've done here is completed another fantastic day at work. And so I am going to head to all-in-one bar in Richmond Town. Yes, this is the bus, of course. I do take the bus, of course. Anyway, so we are here in all-in-one bar, and I'm here again for one of my favorite that I do love on their menu, fish and chips. Oops, I did tell her that I did not want those. Yeah, it could be one of the reasons why it fell over, but she was so kind, she removed them. And I'm gonna kickstart with having some peppermint tea because, honeys, I was not feeling too well. Okay, and I'm being a good girl by staying on a little bit of healthy side, so no cocktails. Peppermint tea. Let's kickstart. Enjoy this video. I'll be back in a minute. One moment. And by the way, these nachos, they were amazing. I didn't have much anyway, I just tasted. But here is my fish and chips. It was so good. One thing what I like with the young lady as well that attended to our table, she was so pleasant. She was so full of life and laughter. She was just absolutely polite. Like, I'm gonna have to give her a 10 star. Fish and chips was amazing. I'm telling you, I've had it before. You'd have seen in one of my previous video when I stopped with another friend of mine. Yes, and so I'm gonna have to go with, actually usually take like prawns on the menu in all-in-one bar, but these days the fish and chips is winning me over, honeys. Yes, all-in-one bar, like I said before, it's all over London, Canary Wharf, Central London, Richmond, you name it, and things like that. But of course, I could not close off not having a warm dessert sticky toffee pudding. This was so iconic. Kind of look a little bit of a wedding type. I think I'm gonna have that at my reception. Yeah, during my wedding ceremony. Yeah, because this was on fleek. That sticky toffee pudding, it was so good. It was tasty. It was in order. So I'm gonna hire the chef to make sure that he prepared it as dessert for my wedding reception. Okay, great. Just a second. Anyway, so for those who just joined my channel, thank you so much. My name is Tanya. I'm truly happy to have you here, and for the constant engagement as well, the love, the support, and the kindness, it has not gone unnoticed at all. We're gonna load on the menu today at home some ackee and salt mackerel. That's what's gonna be it. Forget the hair, it's actually quite outdated. I think I'm gonna have to put it out somewhere at some point. Anyway, so I'm truly happy to have you here, and we are gonna stay locked together. We're gonna continue to nourish each other. And as well, oh, by the way, let me share some scriptures with you. Hebrews 11, James 2 verse 26, and Matthew 6, and that is also, that chapter is where the Lord's Prayer is in. It's very vital, so please have a check and read those. It's very important. We're going to show you how we wrap up a little bit of meal today, salt mackerel, ackee, and hard food, because it's time to load something. Okay. You bought mango, like, what, the total best mother in the entire world. Mango is there, and listen, my mom have a whole bag, and scallion. Oh my god, let me show you my mango because I know you want one. You're not getting any. Okay. It looks quite juicy as well. Yeah, isn't it? Gosh.
And let's buy this too.
Lovely.
If they're nice, I will come back.
Yeah.
And buy it for you.
Absolutely. Good. I should rise a salt mackerel. Are you serious? I've got salt mackerel here, and mommy said I should rise. So I'm rising the salt mackerel. Okay. We have risen the salt mackerel from the dead. I was like, why does it look so ugly in the pot? It does look, okay, great. It does look ugly, doesn't it? Today we've got some of this that mommy is, she's still cutting up some bell peppers. We've got some scallions, tomatoes, and I can't see, yeah. Am I missing anything in here?
That's all.
That's all, yeah. So she always, and onion, of course, yeah. So It's a little bit too near, but there we go. Okay. So that is there. And yeah, just allow her to prepare all the bits. Oh, is it? Oh, sorry. Oh god, the pumpkin is pumpkining. Oh gosh, yes. Did you get sweet potato?
I didn't get any sweet potato. Sweet potato is very expensive.
Mommy have this little thing with sweet potato prices. It's quite expensive, to be fair. She knows it's my favorite. Oh, the aroma. That is why I know that you're done here chefing it down.
Okay.
But you needed to cool me because I'm exhausted. So you're getting all of this like all caramelized and things like that, right? Or did you use that back in the days? Caramelize. What you just call it? I just, I'm gonna have to check my cookbook.
Are the cookbook not?
Yeah.
Okay. No, you didn't put it up on your head.
Oh, wow.
Awesome. Can you put it a star for me, please?
I can't. I struggle sometimes with the camera and the hand.
Try.
You know, especially when I have to cook, especially when you're not well. See, it's already lean. And I always feel like I just can't do it. I'm more like flexible when, yeah, I think I've tried already.
Try?
Going in with the salt mackerel now. And we've got the bones in there as well. Okay, so the bone and the bone head and all of that. Yeah, okay, perfect. Lovely. Smells good. What do you mean?
I got laid on.
I'm exhausted, honestly. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my god. Okay. So I need to quiz you a little bit just to see how much you know me. Between ackee and salt mackerel, ackee and saltfish, and ackee and smoked redderine, what is my favorite combination?
Redderine.
And how sure are you about that?
100%.
Are you sure about that?
100%.
That is true.
You must be joking.
So yeah, that is actually. And what is your favorite? It's not for you to ask me if I know your favorite. What is your favorite?
Well, the all shredded.
Okay.
Yeah.
My favorite. My favorite
is the I love all three of them.
Yeah.
But you see the redderine.
Yeah.
Yeah, it cut more dark.
Yeah, it brings a smoky flavor, isn't it?
Cut that dumpling.
Yeah. Okay, another question just to see how much you know me. Between roast breadfruit or fried, you know when you roast the breadfruit and then you fry it over. Between the actual roast breadfruit and then the fried roast breadfruit, what is my favorite? What is my favorite? Why are you laughing? You don't know, do you? You don't know. What is it?
It's like the fry over one. It's a fresh one.
It's a fresh one. That is so true. Yeah, I do actually rather the roast breadfruit.
Another one again.
Between that's okay. Between boiled dumpling and then fried over.
Fry over.
I couldn't even confidence. Oh. That looks lovely.
Yeah.
Okay. But you know what? It actually tastes like a little bit. It reminds me of like the real back home one. Not that it's fake, but you know what I'm saying. You know, like when you just pick it from the tree. Yeah, honestly,
so you have to know. Yesterday, Ackee in the tin. And I have to know open. For me to know.
Yeah.
You know the kettle water. Yeah?
Oh, definitely.
You just put it in the strainer. Strain off the water.
Of course.
And then you put it in the strainer.
Yeah.
And you take your kettle water. And you rinse it off.
That's really good.
Ackee, tastes so nice.
That is something that you learned from me, isn't it? Because remember a few years ago when I taught you that you need to basically put the whole. I taught you how to do that.
So that is it now, right?
That looks so good. Ackee and sold a mackerel. Did you buy avocado? You didn't. Oh my god, look at this. This looks amazing. Wow. Absolutely. Oh my gosh. Hate buying avocado, and stuff like this goes well with avocado on the side, but obviously she does feel like she wastes her money when she buy the avocado. If you reach this far in this video, thank you so much. I'm so happy to have you here. I keep on saying that because it is a truth, and then you can hear like the flooring, so you can ignore all of that. Please guys, do remember to stay connected with the Lord, and do remember to have faith without works is just completely dead. And I've actually learned from James 2 verse 26. Like, honestly, I read that so many times. It is so powerful. It's so iconic. Imagine your body without spirit is dead. The spirit of God removes from our body. We are no longer, and our body decomposes. We go back to the dust. Amen. Faith without work. So it's very important and imperative for you to have faith in the Lord. There's nothing that he cannot do. He can do everything. He is the genealogy of the creation and of everything existing today. And so it's important for us, so when we fall back, we need to remember to fall back in line with the word of God and with God, because he's all-knowing, all-powerful, hears everything at the same time, sees everything at the same time. We serve a mighty God. With that being said, the pumpkin is looking really good. Okay, tuck my dumpling for me into the baby stage. Lovely. Could you cool it for me as well, please? And when you're pouring the tea, you need to pour it one cup to another, like what we used to do back in the days.
I will do it for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You used to throw away tea through the window.
To be fair, oh my god, I'll tell you something, One morning, I was in Jamaica, I used to live in Jamaica back in the days before I came here. My mom gave me a cup of tea, and she could not understand how is it that the tea, I just finished a cup of tea so early, and as such, one morning she literally came in and saw the hand coming out through the window. Like, I was throwing away the tea. I was peppermint tea to my favorite. I was throwing it away, so boring at the time, but now I'll drink my tea. Okay, I'll drink my tea. Does it hear that crackling sound? Like, what
is that?
I don't know, it's a floor. It's like, I think it's like, or am I too heavy? Not the heavy.
Me too.
So the only thing that is missing from this wonderful, delicious plated meal is avocado. Exactly. But apart from that, everything is excellent. We give the Lord thanks and praise at all times for his continued provision. Sauce mackerel and ackee, boiled banana. Where is and my dumpling. Let's get sassy there, and of course a piece of pumpkin there. And what am I gonna have this with? Water?
You can drink some lemonade because you already have a cup of tea.
Oh, I didn't. Yeah. So you don't need to pour the tea in the thing.
No. You already drink the tea.
I was talking about. Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching. We hope that you enjoy this video. For your continued love and your support, right, Mom? And your engagement. For those who recently subscribed to my channel, welcome. And for those who's been there from the start, right, Mom?
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. Let's continue to support each other, be respectful, be kind. Yeah, let's just cheer each other on. Love each other. Exactly, definitely. That is very, very pivotal. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Okay, thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.